Hi, welcome to our channel. You are watching Chronicle today. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe or follow our channel. The human brain is the command center for the human nervous system. The human brain has the same basic structure as other mammal brains, but is larger in relation to body size than any other brains. The human brain is the largest brain of all vertebrates relative to body size. The brain makes up about 2% of a human's body weight. The largest part of the human brain is the cerebrum, which is divided into two hemispheres. Like all vertebrate brains, the human brain develops from three sections known as the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The cerebral cortex is greatly enlarged in human brains and is considered the seat of complex thought. The primary functions of the brain stem include relaying information between the brain and the body, supplying some of the cranial nerves to the face and head, and performing critical functions in controlling the heart, breathing, and consciousness. The brain of a sperm whale is more than 5 times heavier than the human brain, but humans are considered to be of higher intelligence than sperm whales. Among humans, brain size doesn't indicate how smart someone is. Some geniuses in their field have smaller than average brains, while others larger than average. The Russian novelist Ivan Turgenev's brain was found to be 2021 grams, while writer Anatole France's brain weighed only 1017 grams. The human brain is divided into two hemispheres, the left and right, connected by a bundle of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. The left brain controls all the muscles on the right-hand side of the body, and the right brain controls the left side. The right brain plays a role in visual and auditory processing, spatial skills, and artistic ability, more instinctive or creative things, Holland said, though these functions involve both hemispheres. In April 2013, President Barack Obama announced a scientific grand challenge known as the BRAIN Initiative, in short for brain research through advancing innovative neurotechnologies. The $100 million plus effort aimed to develop new technologies that will produce a dynamic picture of the human brain, from the level of individual cells to complex circuits. The project contains members from several government agencies, including the National Institutes of Health, the National Science Foundation, and the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, as well as private research organizations. The research funding facilitated the development of new brain imaging and brain mapping tools. Together, these efforts contribute to major advancements in understanding the brain.